Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about how to make mental health days truly work for you. In today's busy world, mental health days are more accepted than ever. Employers see how stress kills productivity, and people are learning to step back to recharge. Taking a day off sounds like smart self-care, but here's the real question: do they actually help, even for a day? The truth is, while a day off can feel good short-term, most people return to the same stress and burnout. Sometimes, a mental health day just covers up deeper issues instead of solving them. Here's how it can backfire. A. Rumination. Without a plan, you might spend the day overthinking the same problems. It feels like problem solving, but really, it fuels more anxiety. B. Emotional stagnation. It's easy to binge shows or scroll all day. It feels good at first but leaves you emotionally numb, unprocessed, and dreading tomorrow. C. Lower frustration tolerance. If you keep using mental health days to escape, you teach your brain you can't handle stress. Over time, even small problems can feel overwhelming. But taking a break isn't bad, it just needs intention. Here's how to make your mental health day actually work for you. 1. Use coping skills first. Try at least 3 stress management tools before taking a day off. If you're still overwhelmed, then take the break from a place of awareness, not avoidance. 2. Consider therapy. Use the day to work through your stress and create a plan to handle it. 3. Rest with intention. Ask yourself, do I need rest, connection, or creativity? Focus your day around what you need most. 4. Set limits on distractions. Some distraction is fine, just don't let the whole day disappear. Plan your breaks and set time limits. 5. Plan for tomorrow. Stressor will still be there, so map out how you'll handle them and set rewards for good coping. 6. Exercise. Even 30 minutes of movement can lower stress hormones and boost your mood. 7. Do something joyful. Get outside, make art, listen to music. Anything that sparks joy builds real resilience. Mental health days can be powerful if you approach them with structure, purpose, and a plan. It's not just about taking a break, it's about coming back stronger. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting, Sunbro.